Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted photos on your Android device. So in the first step, you can always check the trash files in the Google Photos app. So to open it, you have to open the library, slide down, and choose the bin in this place. If you have any deleted photos, you can bring back to your gallery from this place. That was the first method. Now the second one, go to the settings, slide down to the Google, and choose backup. Now just check that you have any backups here, and if the photos and videos is enabled, you can bring back the photos by the Google backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.